Hey Roberto, this is Paul Heck. I know we had a great time visiting down there with you and you coordinating the services that we use for ziplining and for the ATV while we were vacationing. My family just really enjoyed that. I was the guy that lost a cell phone, and I really appreciate you getting that back to me as well. And you guys are just top notch as far as like what you do and your integrity and everything. So those are the people that I like to work with, and I just wanted to show you a little bit of what I can bring to the table for you guys as far as like your online presence and how show you what your website's doing right now, what opportunities there are for you, and just show you just how I do that. So I enhance people's websites and move them up into Google's rankings so that you're at the top when somebody searches for, say, zipline tours or ATV tours or zipline, rainforest zipline, or anything like that. So I'm looking at what the actual keywords are that Google is saying is being searched by people. And I'm trying to match that up with your website and strengthen your website so that you pop up in the top for that. So I do that by the content on your website. I do that by your backlinks, which are other websites that refer to yours, getting some strong relevant sites to do that. And then also by citations, which are your name, address, and phone number of your business listed on as many directories online as possible. So those three things together will help boost you guys up in the online world and in Google's eyes, and help you get more business because you're going to be at the top where people can click on you and actually call you and get business coming your way. So I'm looking at your website right now. You've got a nice looking website. You've got some great images on there. What I'm seeing is that the content on your website just doesn't have what's needed for Google to pick it up and rank you high. So we need to add additional content to your website that shows the keywords, such as, and I'm just gonna pull some up here, like zipline Costa Rica zipline Guanacaste, Costa Rica. This is all showing like great search volume, and those are things that you need to add to your website. Also Costa Rica volcano tour, any of these services that you guys do where there's actual volume, you want to be found for those keywords. So that's what I'm talking about when I'm talking about content and getting the right content on it for your services. Looking at your competitors and what's being found right now. So if I say Costa Rica Rainforest Tour, you can see that rainforesttours.com, Costa Rica Experts.com, adventurecostarica.com are all pulling up ahead of you guys and taking business from you. What we want to do is we want to overtake those guys and beat them for that search term, Costa Rica Rainforest Tour. But also we need to do the same for zipline tours, and ATV tours, any services you got, volcano tours, any of these things that you guys provide. Looking at rainforesttours.com's website, you can see they've got some content on there that's just explaining a little bit more than what you guys have. They've got some the volcanoes listed, just some different things like that. Again, their website's not optimized very well either. They're beating you just because they've got it a little bit better optimized. Costa Rica Experts.com, same thing. They've got some good language on here about Costa Rica jungle tours, and different keywords are popping up from theirs. Again, I'm not seeing anything that's really just well done on theirs. Costa Rica Rainforest Tour, so that's definitely a keyword right there. That's why this Adventure Tours Costa Rica is popping up. So what we want to do is devise a plan to beat these guys and help you guys get that search traffic that they are taking right now. So if I look at what you guys' website is right now, I've got your website in. It's not doing much. You have in Google's eyes, you have virtually zero strength. You've got 3 backlinks and 2 referring domains coming to you, and you're being found for 11 keywords, which this means that you're basically non-existent in the online world. Nobody is finding you unless they know your name or your URL. If I drill down into what keywords you're actually being found for, you can see, this one right here with a zip line, Nexus Tours, Costa Rica Rainforest Tour right there. You're actually being found for that, but you're in 78th position. So you're on page 7 of Google. Nobody is going there to find you guys. This has 90 searches a month coming in and a keyword difficulty of 5. So, it takes around 3 to 6 months to try to rank in the top 3 positions for that. Rainforest Tours in Costa Rica, 20 searches a month. You guys, again, are on page 7. Nobody's going to find you there. but there's opportunity. That's what I want to show you right now is opportunity. So rainforesttours.com, you can see that there you have quite a bit of a strength in their website. If I look at how many keywords they're being found for, they've got a lot. This is something that you definitely want to overtake. We can drill down into these referring domains, and I can see just which ones have strength. Now, some of these have a lot of strength, but we're going to go out and find the ones, we're going to match as much as we can off of theirs, and then go find more powerful backlinks to beat them. We look at CostaRicanExperts.com, and specifically on their jungle tour, you can see that they've got a 19 and a 45. Again, a little bit of strength there. They've got 93 keywords are being found for, 15 referring domains. They've been doing this for a few years, but not in any real consistent way that's just driving them to the top. They're getting there, but they're definitely beatable. These guys, Adventure Tours, a 4 and a 27 on the UR and the domain rating. That's not too bad, but again, I want to see this in like the 30, more balanced in like a 29 and 30 range on this, and have hundreds of referring domains coming to your website. If you look at what keywords they're being found for, you can see some of this Costa Rican Rainforest Tour, again the 90, Jungle Tour 80, Rainforest Tours another 20 searches, Rainforest Tours Costa Rica another 30 searches. So you start to add all of this up, and you can start to see that by the time we scale this out, there could be thousands of searches a month where you want that opportunity for them to land on your website and not on one of your competitors. And I just did a couple of keyword searches just to see what's out there. Costa Rica Jungle Tour 80 searches a month, Costa Rican Jungles 70, Rainforest Tour of course 90. If I look over here, Volcano Tour, there's another 80, another 50 on Volcano Tour, and then on Zipline itself, Zipline Costa Rica, 1,000 searches a month. Costa Rican Zipline, 350 searches a month. There in Guanacaste, 300 searches a month with a low KD, which is the keyword difficulty. So I'm seeing a lot of opportunity here for you guys that you want to take advantage of. And so again, just to recap real quick, it's the content on your website. You want to have 1,500 words minimum. It needs to be keyword rich. It needs targeted to these keywords that are being searched from Google. That's going to help you guys in Google's eyes get pushed to the top. The next thing is the citations. This is your name, address, and phone number of your business listed on as many online directories as possible. The third thing are the backlinks, and that is where there's other websites that are relevant to yours. Maybe it's talking about rainforest, maybe it's talking about adventure, adrenaline type websites, or any kind of outdoor activity referring to your website. That's going to give you more credibility and more strength in Google's eyes. Those three things work together to boost your presence. So one thing I want to also show you that we also do to enhance your online presence is your Google business profile. So this is your listing on Google. I just typed in Sky Adventures Reno Park just to show you what that is. So this is your Google business listing. We can also add photos. We can do different things in posting and stuff to actually strengthen this as well. Again, all of these things work together with your social media and all these things to strengthen your website's presence, your online presence, and get you more business. So I would love to talk with you further about what you would like to do. If you would like some help with this, we bring our clients great value. I base everything off of your return on your investment so that it's calculated in what you can expect. So that's based on how much search is out there, what you guys profit on each individual tour you're selling, and those sorts of things. So if you'd like to talk further about your business, how we can help you grow, how much you want to grow, just what you guys are trying to do this year and next year, I would love to talk with you further and show you how we can help you. I appreciate it. My name's Paul Heck. I'm with Grassfire Digital Marketing. You can reach me on WhatsApp at 479-445-8086. You can also reach me on Messenger, and of course, just reply back to this email, and we can connect that way as well, or do a Zoom call or something. So appreciate you, Roberto, and I hope to talk to you soon. Thanks.